Hello friends, welcome to our channel In-house ERP. So this is our video number 10 on MS Excel. In this video, we will learn about how to use number section under home tab of MS Excel. So this video will become very interesting and very useful for you all. So let's come practically to see. This is our workbook in MS Excel. This is number section under home tab. In previous video, we discussed about alignment section. So first we create a dummy data. This will become roll number because we discuss about today numbers. Serial number 1, 2, 3. So friends, first we will do borders. Okay. Now number section, first we will give sign of currency like this. This is dollar currency if you want to work in dollar currency. Now I am going to give Indian rupees currency. Search here rupees. You see all these currencies. You can apply any currency as per your requirement. In my case, I am searching Indian currency. So the English, Hindi. So I am applying this. Now you see rupee currency is applied on the our data. So next function is what? Percentage. And you all know that what we use for percentage. Now this increase decimal number, and the next one is decrease the decimal number like this. and this is number. Can apply short date. This is basically a formatting you can apply on the data you have in Excel. Time, fraction, scientific, and more function you can explore like this. If you want any requirement or if you want any assistance, just comment us in this video. We will reply or provide solution. So this is all about practice you can do with the help of our video. So friends, thanks for watching our video. Please do like, share, subscribe our channel and keep support us so that we will bring more useful content for you all. And thank you for watching this video.